Hi, my name is Nelson, founder of Functional Training Institute, creator of Swiss ball metabolic training and dual zone myofascial release. Now I'm going to demonstrate the first exercise of the Swiss ball metabolic training known as the mountain climber. Now, the mountain climber challenges the shoulder girdle, upper body stability, core stability and mobility of the hips. Now, level 1 for the first exercise. You go down in the plank position, form your arms like a triangle. You're going to protract your scapula and depress your scapula at the same time. Make sure your chest is right on top of the ball. Your feet together with one leg in front and one leg behind. So make sure your knee is flexed to the center of the Swiss ball. Your body is right on top of the Swiss ball. When you're ready, you move back and you move in with a neutral spine, your chin tucked under. In, up, in, up. So you stabilize the shoulder, you mobilize the hip. So this is level 1 for mountain climber. What movement plane do you think we are using and what fitness component do you think we are working on? Here. We are moving in the sagittal plane for our legs, the lower limb, and the fitness component you get is mobility of the hips, stability of the spine and the shoulders, core strength, cardio, and psychomotor definitely. Now we're going to go to level 2 for the mountain climber. Now for level 2, in the same position, this time, instead of landing your foot on the ground, you will lift off the front foot floating in the air every time you move forward. So you float the front leg, float the front leg, float, float the front leg. Now that was level 2 for mountain climber. Again, which fitness component do you think you turn on more this time for level 2? Now the answer is very simple. For level 2, because one leg is floating, you are definitely challenging more core strength, more cardio, more balance required because one leg floating, your obliques will turn on more to stabilize the spine. Let's go to level 3 for mountain climber. For level 3, once you stabilize the shoulder, you're going to start jumping back and forth. That was level 3 mountain climber. Which fitness component do you think I just tweak it more again? The answer is simple. The fitness component that we just tweak it more will be cardio. Because of the explosive jump, you require more cardio stamina to perform the task and also more core strength because each time you jump and land on impact, your core will be bracing harder to support and protect your spine. And definitely more agility because you need more faster speed to move your hips. Let's go to level 4. Now for level 4, you will jump with one leg floating. Every time you jump, you make sure you float your front leg. Flexion, extension of the hip. So level 4, you realize that my front leg is floating. Make a guess again. Which fitness component do we turn on more this time? The answer is clear. The fitness component we turn on more because of one leg floating and jumping. There's more cardio, there's more core strength, there is more integration work, there's more balance going on for sure. Now lastly, level 5. Is that a level 5? Definitely. For level 5, you're going to go for a single arm and 2 legs. So you have to protract your scapula and depress your scapula at the same time while maintaining your neutral spine. So you're going to jump, still flexing and extending your hip. After 30 seconds, you're going to change over, same thing, protract and depress your scapula. Now that was level 5. Which fitness component do you think I turn on more this time? The answer is stability of the shoulder girdle, dynamic core strength for sure, more cardio as well. Now, what are the common mistakes that you will see when performing the mountain climber? I'm going to demonstrate now. The common mistake that you will see, most people will use a hand to hold the ball. I call the T-Rex, like the Jurassic Park. So please don't do that. Make sure you use your shoulder girdle by protracting and depressing. You fire your serratus anterior and your legs to hold it. When you do the movement, make sure you don't use your hand and do this. Okay? You're strong. Now the other common mistake is, because of tight hip flexors, most people will be short, very short. So make sure every time you move your hip, it's a full hip flexion with a full hip extension. And your chest must be right on top. If you are too low, that's what will happen. But if you are right on top of the ball and the alignment is good, and everything will be nice and smooth and strong. If you'd like to know more about my workshop, please email me at nelson.chong@fti-lwz.com. Thank you.